Okay, so when we install a hard drive, we should take some precautions. We should have a good bootable disk, like a Windows 9X rescue disk, to reboot the system and let us get back to setup if the hard drive installation doesn't work properly. We should also read all the documentation and check the setup of the computer so we know where we're getting started from. And visualize the entire installation. Kind of plan out what we want to get done and how much time we have to do it in, so we don't have to rush. We also need to take time to understand the meaning of each dip switch or jumper that's on the drive. It's a lot easier to take the time to do the job right than it is to have to take the time to do it over again. Plus, we could damage a component if we don't know exactly what we're doing. Other precautions are handle the drive carefully. As we said, the hard drive, like any electronic component, is a fragile piece of equipment when it's not inside a computer case. So handle it carefully. Don't touch the exposed circuitry or the chips, and drain the static electricity from your body and from the package that contains the drive. Static electricity is contained in our clothes, and we'll discuss when we talk about electricity that we can build up thousands of volts of static electricity. Not enough amperage to hurt anything, but certainly enough voltage to fry a circuit in a hard drive or other piece of electronic equipment. If we need to set the drive down, then we need to place it on top of the static protective package that it came with. Don't set it down on the carpet, ever. Don't set it down on another piece of cloth. Certainly don't set it down on the computer case or on any kind of a metal table. So if we take these precautions and we plan out our installation and we do a good job installing the hard drive, then we'll have a new drive in place for the system to use. But before the system can use it, we need to let the system know that the new hard drive is present. So in our next section, we'll look at just how we let the system know that a new hard drive has been installed.